Hi, my name is Janel. I'm the owner of Gourmet Dinner Service and welcome to the Fancy That series, putting pizzazz on your plate. It's the how to get the most out of your meal with a minimum of fuss. Hello, this is my go-to salad dressing recipe. It's a little bit flexible, you can put in what you want. The basic ingredients are olive oil, verjuice, fresh lemon juice, seasoned with some garlic, a bit of sugar, could be honey, mustard, salt and pepper. Easy. So what I do first when I make this is I put all the dry ingredients first. I put about a teaspoon of sugar, could be honey, in a jar about this size. You just vary the sizes. Then I add the same with salt, about a teaspoon of salt. I then put quite a bit of ground pepper. Then I put 1 clove of garlic. One clove of garlic, always good. And then quite a nice sort of dollop of mustard, because I like that. You can vary the levels of this depending on how strong you like everything. Then some fresh lemon juice. Just zest the lemons. So 1 lemon is good for this amount of dressing. And so remember your ratios for salad dressing are 2/3 olive oil and 1/3 of the vinegars, so that the vinegars could be verjuice, lemon juice and white wine vinegar, or a combination of all three. So this is all a bit seedy here, so I'll just strain that in. Okay, then we'll add our verjuice, so a good dollop of that. So we'll see, as you can see, we're nearly just over a third. I'm not going to quite fill this because I need to be able to shake it. And then in goes our olive oil. As you can see, it's pretty quick to make. My mother taught me how to make the go-to salad dressing. She used to make about a 2-litre version when I was a kid growing up. She'd use the old Tupperware containers with a flip-top lid. And I remember it distinctly, always on the top shelf in the fridge, this massive amount of salad dressing, because we always had tons of salads as we were kids. But now you're going to make this, as you can see, it takes only a couple of minutes. Tighten the lid, give it a vigorous shake. And this is your go-to salad dressing. You keep it in the fridge. It lasts for me until I run out, which sometimes, can be a week, sometimes it can be 3 weeks. But basically 2 or 3 weeks in the fridge, it's there, no excuse not to have a beautiful salad dressing.